guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. I actually packed my things here in my bag and this is my outfit. I'm wearing this. And yeah, I'm going to spend the night there on my Auntie Nina's house together with my cousin, and this is my sister. Actually just in hurry because my father is already waiting at me. So let's go. The weather today is so depressing, guys. Did I forget something? By the way, it's 1:21 p.m. guys. Hi. Hi. Update. We just arrived at Merida Terminal and we're going to Ormoc Terminal. And the weather is still gloomy. Uy, pag-sure bitaw, naku kasugod. No problema kasi yung plite. Yes! No problema sa imong plite. Nang inani ako sa ubuang kwarta. So guys, we are already walking to our Ate Ninang's house. We are heading there already. By the way, it's 2:36 p.m. Yeah. Manlakas to. Kay. Ganun puti man pud imong sapatos nga gigamit. Oh no, ako puti ang sapatos. Guys, I can already feel the little raindrops. I love the color of this house. It is vintage. Vintage. Like the beach color. I love beach colors so much. So hey guys, I'm back and I'm already here in OLLC. Hi, say hi to the vlog. Hi. What is your name?
My name is Elsa. My name is Balan.
Hi, I'm Elkadjay.
Oh, so this is the church. Inside of the church is here. Madlok mo ko. Ayog isulti pa. Ayog isulti. Kanan, dili na ko ipaibaw nila. Halata na tud kaayo. These are the other youths, guys. They are making a decorations for the wedding. Ate, what unsay imong gigunitan?
It's a flower.
Artificial flower.
Yeah, fake flowers because we can't afford real flowers. Mahal na ako di ba? Nota na ka notro.
Lang kana ako asa una magud kay kana ang daghan ko og kana ang
Mora nera sa. Ay, pero hindi ko mabuhok karon din.
Hi. Hi guys! Update, it's already 8:12 p.m. and I'm here at the room together with Ate Dazzle and Ate Joy. Hi Ate Joy!
Always na lang ako pang malinya ba?
Ano sa day ugma?
Sunday.
Oo, Sunday di ay. Wala gimi ka practice ka ganina.
Balik ko sila.
Sila?
Sila yung word, dito ko balik. Kamara ni Romer makapractice. What time mo mag-ula ka? Apod?
Ambot lang.
Sa inyo, sa inyo manahit.
Inig. Oo.
Kinahaba sila mag-stay.
Nindot pa man nung tamang
Hapon
stay.
na lang,
Ay. Ayun. Ma-awkward mo ko sa hay. Madlo ko ba?
Birthday mo, gulinat na tugma.
Ay, ugba pa di. Ay, nagtukog ka na ang kuan. Oo, karon. Nagsiyog ni sila. Happy birthday. Ha? Nagkanta nag-happy birthday. Nagkanta na kisa may nag-birthday. Naibong ko to siguro ka lang. Kisa nag-birthday. Pinat-nat yan. Hala. Ugma. Kuan dyan na. Pasalamat ka sa Ginoon.
Wala may pasalamat ko sa Sunday.
Ha?
Sa Wednesday naman na yung pasalamat.
Aw, ano day?
Okay, doon naman kayo.
Ah.
So, sa Wednesday, dapat sa Wednesday.
Kami dito sa Domingo kay depende naman kinsa mo pasalamat tapos sa buwan mo pasalamat ka ati dayon sa praise and worship. Mama ko kay bago siya.
Mag-interview ka naman, ha? May questions.
For couple? Ha? Ha? Sa daw?
Yes, kaya na sinuha niyo mo, makita pag ka ng questions ka niyo.
Madlok mo kung kuya nung waoy.
Pero yun ang mga usual na questions eh.
Tapos makaingon ko nga. Kanang, yay! Di po gumawa like, what is your favorite color?
Ayun.
Hey guys, it's already 8:29 p.m. today and we are eating our dinner. This is my mommy's spaghetti. She cooked that.
This is spaghetti.
Hi, Daddy.
Sally. Hi. Tapos ang sapatos sa Sally.
Serving
We have challenge.
Chicken. Choking chicken.
Ay, ate.
Sayang, wala ko nag-ilis sa kusina.
Ito kong papa.
Hi. Ate kasi.
Ako na-feel ka na. O sige, mag-hyperlapse na ta. Nag-time-lapse na ba? Naka-time-lapse na pagkaon. Hyperlapse. Wala may hyperlapse sa kwan, Samsung. Alam mo. Diba? Ba't ikaw na-feel?
Ito.
Dati.
Ano ba? Ako lagi na-picture ako na dyan.
Anak ko pa sa mga
Pang bago, princess na. Paano siya pa?
Dara na ibang ka.
Ay, mo kita po.
Ay, sorry.
Ay, ginagipakita.
Minsan lang naman tayo mag-choking.
Hindi ka maponji. Yan.
Na maawawon man si Han.
Mauna.
Pero nagsigitog-tugon na ako. Palit ko lang kasalit ako.
Lagi din kalay yung orang mo.
Ano ko? Ilan na
Pakita mo yung Jollibee.
Okay na ni.
Dito, dito.
Hey guys, so it's time check. It's already 7:09 a.m. and this is my outfit. Whoa! Di lang ako mag-fit check. Hindi mo ako mag-fit check kon. Di mo ako sultan. Char lang, wait. Hey guys, vlog update. Our church time is already done, guys, and yeah. Hi. We are having our lunch later, guys. Later. But I'm pretty hungry. by the way. This is our birthday boy. Kuya Nat Nat. So I'm actually going to bid my goodbyes on you. Nag-video ko kanina. Sige. Say bye to the
Ay, bahay din. Ay, kay Papa ko karon dapat karon ko na yung gisot na wa.
Bye mo, be last, bye. Kasi naiuna ka tong si Kuya Val. Si Kuya Val? Oo, isa po man na video ka, balik. Si Kuya Val, kinsa si Kuya Val? Si Kuya Van? Si Van di ay. Ay, lahi man. Val man dahil. Si Ate Val. Okay. Hi guys. Hi guys. We're going home na. We're going home. Di pag, uy, mukhaan pa to sa... Oo, matupag. Bye, Wi-Fi. Bye, no, wadyo ko ba? Wala ko nakakonek. So guys, by the way, we are going to Robinsons because we are going to buy something on National Bookstore. And I bring this vaccination card because that's Robinson guys. That's Robinson. Whoa, Robinson. We're here now.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you do. I know you do. Send me. I know you do. Send me. I know you do. Send me.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me.
Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you